Hello, this is my project of a game of Jenga. I will show now my folder structure. I got a folder to save my imports that I got on Unity Asset Store. Uh, Things like materials or textures. There's a folder where I put my Jenga pieces. There's a glass Jenga, stone Jenga, and wood Jenga. Uh, each of it with a rigid body, a box collider, and a script to highlight it when I pass the mouse over it, and to store the grade information on each piece. I will talk about the script later. There's a folder for my scene, uh, just one scene, a folder for my scripts. Uh, I will pass each script later. A folder for my classes. This is a JSON helper to help me parse the JSON I got on the endpoint. And the student grade, it's where I save the information that I parsed on this class. And, and some test prefab and the test mesh pro. Well, in my scene, I have a camera with a script for rotating it, then the focus on Jenga tower. There's a direct on light, the ground with texture and a material that I got from Unity Asset Store. There are Jenga holder it's a empty uh, game object only with the Jenga builder script and the remove glass script. Uh, there's my canvas for my UI buttons or text, and tower 2 and tower 3. This set the position of the towers. Uh, when I play the game, it it's go on the endpoint and create the 3 towers based on the information that I got. Each button change the tower. I can go up and down pressing the right click button, or I can press the left click button and rotate around a tower. I can click on each piece of Jenga with the right button and get the information of that specific piece. And I can test my stack. That's the only functionality of the game for now, that remove all the glass pieces. Let's see what happens. Uh, the tower that had more glass pieces, it's the one that falls down. Well, I can pass each script now, but I think you guys will get it, the link for the project archives too. So, but let's open the builder just to pass it. Here I got the link of the endpoint. In my start, I make the request to get the JSON. If it's success, I have a method to fix the JSON, so my parser will read it. I call my JSON helper and parse it for my array of students, and I later call the method create Jenga grade. I pass the array of students, the grade that I want to create the tower, the transform where I want the tower to be built, and if I want to focus or not in the tower. The create Jenga has I filter the grade array by the grade that I passed in the method to only get the grade of that was passed for this method. Later, I get a for to iterate over this array, and I built the pieces, instantiate it in the position, and I will go increasing the y position, x, and z, and set the grade information for this game object. Each game object has a script that saves the grade information. For later in the our script that highlight and click, I can create the text that will show in the screen. But I think this is my camera rotation script, and is it. That's the structure of my folders, my scripts, and the gameplay of the game. Thanks.